Hello, Dr. Amy Mercovich here. Today we're going to talk about balance exercises to help maintain and or restore your balance. This is great for people as you age, for seniors, but really for anyone, because the best thing is prevention. You want to maintain balance along the way so you're not trying to fix something later. 4 exercises. We're going to do a no hands sit stand, a walk the tightrope, flamingo, and a tippy toes ladder. First exercise is a no hands sit stand. So you're just without your hands, you're going to sit and stand. Obviously you can make it easier if balance or strength is a problem by using your hands to come up. You want to do 10 reps every day, and this one, if you really want to challenge, you can do it on one foot. So that one's quite challenging. And then obviously you could do 5 or 10 on each side. Second exercise is walk the tightrope. This one, you're going to take around 10 steps without looking down, just going heel to toe. You can make it easier by doing this in a hallway where you can hold on. So if you do about 10 steps, you're going to turn around, do it the other way, and do that 4 times. Remember, you're not looking down. That's the challenge on your balance. Okay, and the third exercise is the flamingo. This one, if you need to make it easier, you're going to pull a chair in so you can use it for balance. And what you're doing is you're going to stand like a flamingo. You're bringing one knee into the air. You want to get that thigh level with the floor, and your foot just dangles underneath. So this is the easiest way, is you're balancing, trying to lift your hand off. A little bit more challenging, you're trying to bring your palms forward and standing up nice and tall. Remember, zip up. And then at the end, after you hold this about 15 to 30 seconds, or if you start to really get wobbly, you want to challenge yourself at the end. You close your eyes and you hold it until you fall over, like that. And then obviously, do the other side. So up, forward, at the end, close your eyes. Okay, the fourth exercise is a tippy toes ladder. Again, to make it easier, you're going to hold on to a chair or a wall. So you're just feet shoulder width apart, and you're coming up on your tippy toes, and you're just balancing. And you're going to do 3 seconds, come down, do 5 seconds, come down. Last one, you're doing about 10 seconds. And if you want to make this more challenging, you're going to move your arms around. You can make it up as you go along, just moving your arms. It changes your center of gravity just a tiny bit, so your body has to accommodate. And you can just do 1 set of that. So again, our 4 exercises are no hands, sit stand 10 times. If you want to challenge, 1 leg. Walk the tightrope, back and forth 4 times, not looking down. The flamingo, each side, 15 to 30 seconds. Close your eyes at the end for a challenge. And the 4th exercise is the tippy toes ladder. Up on your tippy toes, you're doing 3 seconds, then 5 seconds, then 10 seconds, and to challenge, you move your arms around. So there you have it, 4 exercises that'll help you to maintain and restore your balance. And it's really good for all of us to do that, whether you think you have good balance or not.